So I already have a Debug.Log set right here. Debug.Log is known by various like stuff, projects, whatever, to just show whenever you're doing it inside of the console. And this is used a lot in C#. So I already have a C# script. It's just this. I'm gonna continue it by continuing stuff or whatever it's called. We'll just grab it from here. As you can see, I'm gonna have to close the camera for a second just to make them parentheses. And now we have that, and so now we can put key. Oh my word, sorry. Uppercase key code dot. Alright. So we have key code right here. Now we can make key code dot, let's say W. Alright, so we have this simple code right here. And this code will make it all like it just makes it if a key down, which is W, would go. Now I have to make the actual script for it. Now I make a squiggly line thing, whatever, right here, and we make a Debug.Log. Log, and then I just put my parentheses right here, and as you can see here, and I can say my words. So now I gotta just now I just gotta say my words. So you pressed W key, and now that's super simple. Now we can put our slash right here, and I don't know why, but this is not uppercase, and we make this an uppercase D. So Debug.Log. Now since we have all that done, we can go to my file, save it, go back to Unity, see how it runs right here, and we have no errors. We can go back to my console. Press play, and as you can see, we have our setup script right here. We have everything. Let me just show you perfectly. We have all of it. We can move around, right? And but the thing is, if we press, I'm gonna make it up here, W, as you can see inside of here, right here, you can see this going. So W W W W W W. And that makes the game actually have a Debug.Log, and it's really good to know as a programmer, cause yeah, it's just good to know. Always learn how to do that, so you can see when you mess up, and this is just a game that I'm making. That's a Voyager, and we have like a sheep farm somewhere right here. Horse. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.